Hello family, welcome to my channel. Once the water has boiled and you're cooling it, you're already washing off feeding items and washing your hands too. My toddler is comfortable finishing 150 ml of milk, so I'll be using 150 ml of water to demonstrate in this video. Aside using feeding bottle, you can also use standard measuring cup or a tablespoon to measure out the water. I've demonstrated in one of my videos that this tablespoon is equal to 15 ml of water. So if it is a 15 ml tablespoon that you want to use and measure out 150 ml of water, 10 of this tablespoon will give 150 ml of water. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just take few seconds and subscribe. You don't have anything to lose. Thank you. On your toddler's feeding item, like bowl or cup, you can give a small scratch to remind you of the water level you usually use to make his or her cereal or milk. I usually use the jagged surface of a table knife to do it. How to make? To every 30 ml of water, you add 1 scoop of milk. So for this 150 ml, I will be adding 5 scoops of milk. The amount of SMA toddler milk to give according to age. Start with 30 ml of milk, then work it up to the amount he or she is comfortable finishing. As your toddler gets older, like every 4 to 6 months, you can be adding an extra scoop of milk. You can give the amounts like 2 to 3 times a day. For example, this 150 ml of milk I just made, I can make it in a day for about 2 to 3 times and give my child. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.